In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a text box with color in Canva. We'll walk through two clear approaches so you can choose the one that fits your design. A quick solid background using text effects, and a more adjustable option using shapes. Both are simple, and I'll point out what each control does so you can customize confidently. First, the fast method with text effects. Start by adding a standard text box. Press T on your keyboard, or open the Text tab and type your words. Click to select the text box, then head to the top toolbar and choose Effects. Scroll down until you see Background. Toggle it on and you'll instantly see a solid color block appear behind your text. Click the color box to pick your fill color. For readability, aim for strong contrast between your text and the background color. Now, tune the look with the three sliders. Roundness softens the corners of the background shape, from sharp to fully rounded. Spread controls the padding around your words. Slide it right to give your text more breathing room. Transparency adjusts how opaque the background is, from fully solid to partially see-through, which is helpful if you want your design elements to subtly show through. This method is perfect when you need a quick clean label or callout without moving separate objects. Next, the more flexible method using shapes. Go to the Elements panel on the sidebar and search for Shapes, or simply click a square or rectangle. Click to add it to your design, then resize and position it exactly where you want your text to sit. With the shape selected, click the color icon, the small colored square in the top toolbar. Choose a color from the palette. Use the eyedropper to match something already in your design, or enter a custom hex code if you have one. Now, double-click inside the shape and type your text. Finally, select the text itself and change its color using the text color icon. White or black typically gives the best contrast, but choose what keeps your message clear. This approach gives you full control over the box size, proportions, and placement, which is great for headings, banners, or labels that need precise layout. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.